Hey there, I'm Alora from Bold Commerce. In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up a customer portal upsell using Bold Upsell and Bold Subscriptions. Customer portal upsells allow you to display targeted product offers in the customer portal, right where your customers go to manage their subscriptions. If your customer is subscribed to a product that you've designated as a trigger product in upsell, once logged into the customer portal, they will see the offer displayed near the top of the page. From here, your customer can add the offer product to their existing subscription order, either as a one-time purchase or as a recurring order. This depends on how you offer the product on your storefront. If you haven't already made your trigger product available for subscription, you can visit our Help Center for step-by-step directions on how to create a standard subscription group. With that being said, let's create our offer. There are two paths you can take to begin creating your offer in upsell. From the Maximizer page, scroll down to find Customer Portal Upsells and click the Setup button. This takes you directly to the Create Offer page in Upsell with the correct preset already configured. Alternatively, in Upsell, you can navigate to Manual Offers and click Create New Offer. We'll continue with this path. Enter an internal name for your offer. Click Set a Trigger. Expand the Trigger Preset drop-down menu and select Customer Portal Upsell Maximizer. Under Trigger Products, select either Trigger an Upsell on specific products or Trigger an Upsell on every product. In my example, I'm going to choose specific products. Click Select Products and then choose your desired trigger products. Remember, these are products your customers should already be subscribed to. Click Review Selection and then Save Selection. You can optionally change the trigger quantity. This takes into account the number of products in a customer's existing subscription. For example, if you enter 2, the customer must be subscribed to a minimum of 2 trigger products in order to see the offer. We'll leave this at 1. In the Upsell Offer section, click Set an Offer. Enter a title and description for your offer. This title and description appears in the customer portal. Click Select Products and choose the products you would like to offer your subscribers. Click Review Selection, then Save Selection. If you would like to set a start and end date for this offer, you can configure a date range in the Conditions section. I'll skip this. Click Save Offer at the bottom of the page. That's it. Here's how the offer appears in the customer portal. Subscribers can add it to their existing subscription based on how you offer the product on your store. Since these syrups are available for both a one-time purchase and subscription, we have both choices here. Add it to the next order only or as a subscription. I'll add it to my subscription. And that's all there is to it. For more information on customer portal upsells, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.